In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Mailchimp opt-in form to your Squarespace site, making it easier for you to gather and manage your email subscribers all in one seamless process. Let's dive right in. First of all, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Navigate to your account's dashboard and choose the website you want to work on. Once there, start by clicking on the Edit function for your site. This action will allow you to make necessary changes and additions to your website's layout and content. Now, to add a Mailchimp opt-in form, you need to incorporate a newsletter block. Start by navigating to the specific page on your site where you'd like your opt-in form to be displayed. Here you have to click Edit. You'll see an option to Add Block. Select that, and from the list of options, choose Newsletter. This particular block is tailored specifically for email signups, designed to help you connect with your audience effectively. Next, it's time to connect this newsletter block with Mailchimp, enabling your site visitors to automatically be added to your email list. Click on the newsletter block and then go to Edit. Here you'll see an option called Storage, which is where you'll choose how and where to store your collected email addresses. Within this menu, select Mailchimp as your choice. To link your Squarespace site to your Mailchimp account, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. You will be prompted to do this, so make sure you have your Mailchimp credentials nearby for a smooth login process. Once logged in, you should be able to see a list of Mailchimp audiences. Select the audience that you wish to send your new contacts to. This step ensures that all new signups from your form are captured in the right Mailchimp audience list, streamlining your email marketing efforts. After your form is connected, it's time to personalize it to match your website's aesthetic and branding. To do this, take advantage of Squarespace's customization options, edit the text, add additional form fields, and tweak the design so it complements the overall look and feel of your site. This personalization step is crucial as it provides a seamless visual experience for your visitors, encouraging more users to sign up. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your design, it's essential to save and publish your changes. To wrap everything up, click Save to save your work. Finally, hit Send to make your opt-in form live on your website, ready to capture new subscribers. And that's it, your Mailchimp opt-in form is now successfully integrated into your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you've managed to create a powerful tool for engaging with your audience and growing your email list effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.